Alright guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. It's from Russia. It's been about a month since I ordered this, so let's see what's inside. Alright, let's see what's inside. Get some packing peanuts. Got some aluminum cheese tubes from 1940. So, two from 1940. And one from 1944. These are pretty much similar to what Kriegsen Militaria sold. This whole package is from Vesmashuk. They do reproduction rations and personal items. That off to the side. This next one came in a little late. I was hoping it came in for Christmas, but we got a Christmas ration. We got reproduction cigarettes with the tax stamp on it. Another reproduction package of cigarettes, different brand. A Russian pack of cigarettes. I don't know what this is. Oh, cool. I didn't even order this, but this is a trench candle. It looks like a Hindenburg style, but much larger candle. It's kind of cool. I didn't order this, but I'm not mad. We got the C ration B unit, so for breakfast. It's a World War II American ration. Alright, so we have what I presume is my iron ration. And the canned food, yep, that goes with the iron ration, which has its proper stamps on it. But now that everything's laid out, I'm just going to go over, kind of show you a quick pan. Got the two German cigarettes and the Russian papyrosis, the Christmas ration. I will be doing individual videos of these. Just trying them out and unboxing them individually. I'll be doing like an iron ration video, the C ration, Christmas, and then just trying out the cigarettes. But just look out for those videos, and thanks for watching.